Hey everyone, welcome back to Tiki Drinks at Home. Today I'm going to show you how to build 3 simple yet delicious tropical cocktails using more basic ingredients. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, we're pretty sure you're going to be saying, wow.
That was easy.
So, let's not waste any time. Why don't you come along with me and we'll head over to the bar. Oh, hey! Welcome to our Tiki bar. Glad you could join us. So it looks like everything's set up. Let's get started with a little cocktail called Island Girl.
That was easy.
Now wasn't that easy? Next up is the Blue Lagoon, which is actually the first tropical cocktail I ever made. Let me show you how to make it.
Hey babe, have you seen my phone? Hey, are you down there?
I'm a little busy. Shoot. Finally, we have the Malibu Sunset, another 3-ingredient cocktail that's also stunning.
That was easy. That was easy.
Hey everyone, if you enjoyed this video, please click the like button below. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to ensure you get new tropical drink recipes each week. Until next time, keep your spirits high and your cocktail glasses full, everyone. Cheers.
That was easy.
Shut up.